Hey guys, welcome to Casper's Creations. Today we are going to be doing, we're going to be testing slime kits from Five Below. And at the end we're going to give them a thumbs up or a thumbs down depending on if they work or not, if we like them, and if we think they're value. They're only $5 each, so it's not that bad, so let's get testing.
I feel like I did something wrong.
Okay, and I have the neon. It's called the Neon Glow Slimy Glue. So I want to see if it looks neon at the end and if it glows in the dark. And
I have the holographic, and I just want to know if it's gonna look like what's in the picture.
yeah, so it looks pretty cool in the picture. So let's see if it does that. And yeah, just like take everything out.
There we go. This is
Oh my. Okay, so there was this weird thing. Okay, so we each have a beaker, and then you have some holographic stuff, and I have some paint, which I hope is neon looking.
Oh, look at that.
You have some glitter glue. I have some clear glue, and then we each have some sodium tetraboride, which is used for activating slime. And then
we have a spoon.
I have a spoon and a skewer for something.
Skewer? Let's get the instructions.
Okay, so first we need some more water, which you have. How much do we need? So I'm just gonna pour out some of my clear glue while I'm waiting to get some of that water. So in each thing, this is 90 milliliters, so you're only gonna get enough glue and stuff to make one out of this kit, and this is $5, so see if it's worth it. Have all that in, so let's use the mixing skewer and mix it all together. For this thing, you need 6 paper or plastic mixing cups.
We're doing different things, so different instructions. So it says.
Okay, so this is my mixture of glue and water. You actually have a decent amount of glue and water.
I'm gonna put my glitter glue in this, and then I'm gonna pour the other stuff, the activator, in there. I want to get the glue.
Okay, so far mine is going pretty okay, except the fact that you need 6 containers to make it in, and they don't provide it to you to make it. So so far things are going pretty good.
Yes, it's working.
And it comes with this cute little beaker here. So if you like cute little beakers, this kit may be for you if it works.
I feel like I did something wrong.
When do you add the glitter? Okay, so I'm mixing the warm water with the sodium tetraboride, and pretty sure I've mixed it thoroughly by now. But
This does not make a lot of slime.
okay, so I'm supposed to empty one of these paint cans into each of these. So I'm just gonna slowly do that. Okay, so I really think this would have been better if they had put it in like a squeezable container, just because it's a paint thing. Okay, I have to figure out how to do this. And now we're adding the pink, which is my favorite color, by the way. So I'm super psyched for that. Ooh, and the pink is the easiest to get out too. Okay, so now after you have the colors, then it wants you to pour equal amounts of this glue mixture that we set aside earlier into each thing.
Okay, so I don't know if it's done yet, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add like glitter. Yeah, I feel like it's done.
So I'm loving the colors on these right now.
There's some plastic.
Oh, ew.
Oh my gosh, there's so much.
So I'm gonna slowly pour a small amount of this in. I think that's a small amount. So let's see if it activates our slime. Okay, so now I'm just gonna work these slimes a little bit, see if they're, what the texture's like. They're kind of... Okay, so hey guys, we're back with our final creations. You already saw them, but now we're gonna tell you what we think of them. Okay, so first for this neon glow.
It's like a beach ball.
Yeah, it does. Slimy glue. So we tested it. It does not glow in the dark. I don't think it's meant to glow in the dark. It says add glow in neon paints, but it doesn't glow. Even the neon doesn't even glow. So mine, as you can see, the texture is interesting. Let me just take it out of here. It doesn't really stretch. See, it's like it doesn't even mix together. So yeah, let me see if it bounces. It bounces. There's not much great things I can say about this. It doesn't mix together. It's definitely not gloopy like it says in the box. Like it looks like it can just like melt in your hand. I mean, it's a good stress slime if that's something that you do. But overall, I would not recommend these slime kits. Like they're $5. You get what you pay for. So on to the next thing. But yeah, I mean, maybe someone else will have better luck with this, but this is what I had. I followed all the instructions, and this is what I'm left with.
So this is what my slime looks like. As much as I like it, I used all the glitter. I don't think you have to use all the glitter. It's way too much glitter, I feel like. I would have saved some if I would have known. So the first thing I want to talk about is the picture. So it looks more clear, but it's not very clear. Like I thought it was going to be clear glue, but I know on this it says glitter glue. And speaking of glitter glue, I couldn't get it all out of the bottle. So it would have been a little bit bigger, but it was like this. So would I recommend this slime? As much as I would like to say yes, I give it a middle thumb. Because there's some things I would improve.
Okay, and while we're on the thumbs up, thumbs down thing, back to my slime, I would give it a thumbs down. It does not give you what a slime should. It rips really easily. I mean, the color's cool, but look what just happened. Yeah, so, but the most successful one for us has been the holographic slime goo.
Disclaimer, we have not made a lot of slime. This is like my third time making slime, so I don't know if I'm doing it right.
Yeah. So, but if you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, subscribe down below.
Tell us any video ideas that you'd like to see.
Yeah, any questions you would like us to answer. Thanks, and this was Casper's Creations.